Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Simon, this is Brett.
Oh, and this is Super Air. And guess what he's going to do?
Annoy me.
No, he's going to run. He's waving.
That bear gets worse every time I see it.
Why?
It's just crazy.
What, my God?
Yeah.
What's wrong with it?
It just looks weird. And
Okay.
sounds weird too. Right, out of the way.
Wait, let him run again.
How are you? I'm very well, thank you. Do you think people out there should subscribe to our channel? Oh, yes, please. So, tell them. Would you please subscribe to our channel? We're nice people and we'd love it if you did. Mwah.
That job.
Anyway, do you know what we're doing this time?
No.
No, not me. I do actually. We're going to take a look at a toy that I've had since probably the 1980s.
Yay, something
maybe
different.
It's 1980s, definitely 1980s. But the date on it is actually 1983, but I don't think I had it in 1983. I had it a bit later. And it is a game called Space Attack. And it says,
It's a knockoff of Space Invaders.
fight off the lightning alien attacks. Now it's
Wait,
a bit,
why are the aliens and... Why are they charged with lightning?
I think it's supposed to mean it's fast.
Oh, that makes more sense.
Now the thing is with this, it's kind of a cross between air hockey and what you have, the more modern things would be like Beyblade, where you have a spinning top, and the spinning tops and Beyblade and all that would spin against each other. That they had some Beyblade spinning tops. It was called something else, but I can't remember it. But it's like table or air hockey because you're trying to score a goal at each end.
Why is all that white stuff?
That's meant to be like the space.
The space.
Yeah, space. You know, space. The
Yeah,
final
the
frontier.
space.
Space.
What space?
Space. Out of space.
Oh, the infinite space.
That place up in the sky. You know where rockets go. Right. You got these little paddles. They actually got little pictures on them, which is a bit like Space Invaders from the old
I said that.
video games.
Thief.
No, I'm on about these are like Space Invaders. And then you've got, by me, this hasn't been out of the box for decades. I haven't seen this since
Hey.
probably the early 90s. Now what you do is put this bit on here. This might be loud, by the way.
How
Because-
loud?
I don't know, I can't
So how do
remember.
you stop it?
What?
That,
No. What you do is, it's actually kind of difficult, and I'll explain in a moment. Because from what I remember, because I haven't seen this since the early 90s, is what you do is you put this onto here, like that, and then you use this handle to wind it up, and then when you've got it fast enough, you press that, it flings onto here, and then it'll spin around, and you're trying to get it to score in each goal. But there's only two bits here and here that are actually open. This is blocked off, but this has got a little notch for, which is big enough, because that's not big enough. It can only go in through there, and the same on this side. So you use that to try and knock it back to your opponent. It's not very accurate.
why?
Like with air hockey, you know, you have the air going on, you hit it, and then it bounces around and tries to get there. This is nothing like that. So what we'll do is we'll have a little go. I wouldn't have the bear if I was you.
Okay, you can stand here.
And it's the first to G.
Wait, what's G?
It
Does
comes
G
after
equal
9.
10?
Because it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, G.
Does that mean 9 grams?
G forces, I suppose.
Wait,
'cause
does that
it's
mean 9
spacey.
grams?
No, I said G forces.
Or does G equal 10?
Are you deaf, daft, or stupid?
Neither.
G forces. You
No.
know, that's that thing that you get where astronauts go up and they go, "Oh, this is fun. Oh no, it's not that fun." That thing. Right.
What I meant is, do you think it's
my
algebra?
Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I should have done that using your face. It would have been better.
I know, we should use it on your face.
Right, you ready?
Are
Wanna
you?
have a go?
What does he do? Well, I go.
I was trying to put my hand there to stop the feet. Now you caught yours as well.
No, I didn't.
I thought you did because I heard a clunky bit. I put my finger here trying to hold down and caught it.
Which one? Oh no, it's too loud. I don't think it's okay.
See, that's how it works.
Wait, I scored 1.
I wonder if it
Wait,
was a
wait,
bit
wait,
loud.
wait,
Was
wait.
that a bit loud?
Wait, we both scored 1.
Was that a bit loud? Yeah. Should we take these microphones off?
Good.
Okay, I'll take yours off. We'll throw them over there.
Right, over there. Let's give Super one.
No, he had one once before.
Wait, do we start again?
No, it's alright. I'll start from 1.
Wait, but I'm at 1.
Oh yeah, you are at 1. Yeah, it was me. I'll give myself the point when you score. There's actually a video game that does that.
What?
European Club Soccer. If you score your own goal, it gives you the point.
That doesn't make no sense. It's a win! I got a point.
Got stuck under there. I don't think he's ever done that before. Yeah.
Something smoking. No one wins. Hey, stop.
I'll give you that point.
Yay! This method works.
Calm down.
Oh no, someone goes deaf.
This is really
Get
loud.
over there, microphone.
Yeah, I'll throw the microphone further away.
Please no one just like this really feeling deaf. It's not our fault.
No, I forgot what he was like actually. Mind your finger. Yes!
Ow, ow, ow. Let's do that one again, because you kind of cheated.
No, I didn't. No,
Let's
I
do it
didn't.
again.
No.
That one does not count.
Wait, you sound like an old woman. Let's do it again. That doesn't count. Wait. Yes.
Okay.
What are you doing, you donut?
I was trying to get rid of it. There we go. Move it. In. I scored 5. You scored what? 2. Wait, 2?
Yeah.
Gee.
Might have been 3.
No.
Get off. No, you messed that up. What's the matter, Joe?
That's incredibly loud.
Now I'm cooking with gas.
Hey, why aren't you cooking with petrol? Something with that. Doesn't count.
Yes, it does.
No.
Oh,
You were about to say something, weren't you? I scored about 6. I was on 5,
hey! You do that too quick. Let me do this. Get off.
We should let you do it more often.
Mind.
Actually, no, we shouldn't. You cheat.
I did not.
You did. It was too fast. My one's slow. My ears. No. Dirty cheat. Eight.
8.
8.
Do you want to give me a cut of 3 points?
No, that one doesn't count. You cheated.
I counted it. Oi.
That one didn't count. 9. G.
Well, that's lost.
I scored G amount of points.
So what do you think of this game then?
It's fun. Let's do another game.
Nah, it's a bit loud.
Wait.
What? What? So there you have it. This game was actually licensed by Mattel. It was dated 1983. Don't see things like this anymore, do you? Do you know what's funny about this actually? Because I didn't remember how loud this was. But your grandmother, my mum, right, when I was a kid I got given a game called Crossfire and I loved it. It was like a really long board and it had 2 guns, one at each end that shot ball bearings towards a little putt at the middle and you had to try and get it down towards the goal. She complained that it was loud, right? So she broke it and then got rid of it and said, oh, it got broke so it got thrown away. If she would have known how loud this was, I think she would have probably hit it.
Why only hitting it up?
Well, she might have broke it as well, but you can never tell. But anyway, I like this game. We can play again one day if you want.
Yeah, let's do another part 2 right now.
No, I think people might have to get their eardrums sorted. If you, oh yeah,
So,
little warning: don't use headphones. But
little late. Another warning: don't have your phone like this, or like this when you're watching the video.
most people don't use their phones like that anymore.
They go like this, don't they?
I did
What's
that. I
wrong
did.
with
I did
that?
have my phone like that one day, right?
Why?
I put it up there and I was like, hello, and then all of a sudden there's like, there's this beeping noise. I said, what's going on? And they went, your ears on your buttons, your numbers. Beep. But anyway, if you like this video and you want to see more, do all that normal YouTubey stuff that everybody else says because I can't bother to say it anymore. What?
So we're going to run again.
It sounds like something scuttling across the floor, doesn't it?
Maybe it's sculling.
Anyway, thanks for watching and we will see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye. He's waving. And now, run.
Can I try something?
What?
Pass him here?
No! 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 No!